Have you ever wondered what happens when your car's oxygen sensor gets covered with rust and dirt? Today, we're going to show you how to bring it back to life with a simple but effective cleaning process. First, we start by scrubbing the sensor with a motor tool to remove the thick layer of rust from the surface. This step is important because it clears away all the buildup that blocks the sensor from working properly. Next, we apply WD-40. This powerful spray helps loosen up any remaining corrosion and penetrates deep inside the metal parts. After spraying, it's best to leave it for a few minutes, allowing the WD-40 to do its job. Once that's done, we use a cleaner to finish the process. This final cleaning step ensures that the oxygen sensor is completely free from rust, dirt, and oil, leaving it almost like new again. But why go through all this effort? A clean oxygen sensor can improve your car's fuel efficiency, reduce harmful emissions, and give you a smoother engine performance. In other words, this little bit of maintenance can save you money on fuel and keep your engine running healthier for longer. So the next time your car feels sluggish or your fuel average drops, don't ignore the oxygen sensor. With just a bit of cleaning, you can restore its performance and keep your car running at its best. Stay tuned because small tips like this can make a big difference for your vehicle.